Lesson 8: Educational Portals and Website. Proceed to and engage. Surf of any website portable educational. Look at the following parts by having screenshot of the part referred to. There are the 7 parts of screenshots. So first, number 1 is homepage. This is the opening page. Then the second slider. This is the changing content area with different slide or visual or information. Number 3, header. This is the area of the top of the site that include the logo and navigations menu. Number 4, navigations menu. The part that include the link that take visitors to other parts of the website. So sidebar, the website are display informations that is not part of the page main content. Then number 6, call to actions. A part of a website that indicate visitors to take actions which usually involve the attention's grabbing headline. Then the 7 is footer. This is the content area at the bottom of every website. Next is educational portals. So, due to the fast explorations of the internet in terms of both resources and user, the difficult to locate desired resource paved the way to the develop of search engine. In conjunctions with research engines, then the web portal were also developed, improving a gateway and or filter for using to focus their effects on finding the identity desired website. Yahoo and Lycos were two popular portals that provide gateway and general resources. So, a web portal is a graphical knowledge management system that deliver the facility for organizations to build, share, interchange, and reuse knowledge. It is a private locate to the internet retrieved through a unique informed users locator. So, you mean URL, mo na ang meaning sa URL, Information Resource Locator, or website address and probably login ID and password. So, there is a kuan sa website pod need siya og kuan kanang ID or password. If dili mo imong ID or dili mo imong password, sorry, dili siya ma-open. So, web portal content is a login protected and user specific. The interface would be public or private. So, means dari ang web kuno is para ma-protect niya ang katong account or ang user. It bahalag public or private nga kuan. Next is content and web portal are dynamic and change reference. Then the web portal are classified into horizontal, vertical, enterprise informations, and business to business. Vertical, vertical portal, sometimes referred to as portals or niche. Portal contain resource for a particular audience encompass portals designs of educational purpose. So kini siya dili lang siya sa educational purposes. Pwede po siya sa business, pwede po siya sa information to enterprise, or pwede ka mo sa business or makikonik ka through other persons. So, educational website. A website is a group of interlinked web page sharing a single domain name, creating and maintaining to serve various purpose. All public accessible website constitute the WW or World Wide Web. So, the need to improve technology literacy in education has encouraged educators to design websites that serve as a portal for students to access authentic information which could assess the student in gaining access in instructional materials that are target the viable and achieving specific learning outcomes. However, one limitation which the educational website is the source available are limited to those are designed has include. So kining educational website di ay is aka ng need ay kuha nato as a student need nato ni siya. For example, Canva. If wala ang Canva di unsa man ta di magkuan lang ta mag DIY lang tag mga visual aid, mga kuan. Then kini ang educational website is na natanan pero na siya limit. Katong mga design nga okay or sakto lang. Pero katong mga nindot is na siya bayad or something. So next is portal versus website. What is the difference? So website and portal are different terms but there exists a correlation between the two website and portal. Portal both have a web-based interface. So kini ko na ang what is the difference between the two. So wala sila different, same ra sila og purpose but dili sila pareha og meaning or pangalan. Ang website is kanang link yapon siya or to kuan. Ang portal po is link yapon siya to connect or to kuan. To connect or to share. Next is subject is a specific website and portal. Below is the list of useful educational site and portal that student and teacher can use. These are grouped according to the subject area. So, table 8 sample educational website for subjects. So, na area dira nga subject area na po sample educational website. So, sa English, sa sample educational website na dira ang ESL lang, TED, day na po Free Rise, Busy Teacher, day na po Type P, Skype, I mean, then Breaking News English, then Napod and Write and Improve. Then next is Mathematics. Then another ang Math TV, Teacher Visions, TES, Super Kids, Math Ed. Then sa Science, kay na Science News, Famous Scientist, National Graphic, Educational, Education, then Science Stalls. Then social student na dira ang teaching history, bringing home history home, then digital history, BBC history, dayon economic of Sinfield. Filipino, then Filipino Food 101, then FUBO. Muna sila duha ra ka book ang Filipino for the use of teachers and students. Then next is music, smart music, flat, Soundstrap, interactions music site, the rhyme, training, then brain pop music resource, then PBC kids music game, then San Arts is Art Ed, then Smart History Original, then Museum of Music Art, then sa physical educations na po ng P Universal, then PE Center Sport Known, how.com, then sa healthopedia.com, then kid health, then kidnatic.com. Then sa technology and livelihood educations na dira ang Smart Draw, Epic Driving Skills, Skillshare Drawing Coach, Learning Best, the Curricular Cooking, and para na ang mga sample educational website for subject and sample educational website. Next AI. In additional to the previously mentioned website, a list of instructional website for teachers, including lesson plan, study guide, and practice activities and edtech tools is given below. So number one is Khan Academy. The Khan Academy provides free educational content through information, videos, and practice exercise in math, chemistry, physics and science and arts and humanities and many more. So second is reading, writing. Si read, writing na po siya offer the web variety of classrooms and professional develop resources, including student interactive lesson plan, print out mobile apps, strategy, guide, and others. So, kung gusto ka og mga need pa jud og mga mga website, dahil ka ni write, and think na siya dahil mga include mga lesson plan or print out na o mga mobile games, pero sa science na siya. Dayon sa third is common sense media. This is a platform where teacher create review of educational portals and mobile apps, ready-made lesson plan, webinars, videos, and other resources can be accessed. So there is a common sense media na diri pud ang mga ready-made lesson plan na, then webinar, mga videos kung namoy kanang kanang kan bitaw kanang ko sa seminar or webinar diri pud magkuha sa common sense media. Then kini ang CK12 provide teacher recruit secret system content in include lesson activities, study guide and practice exercise. So ang kini CK12 means is kanang diri pud ang mga STEM, mga include lessons na po na diri sa CK12. Number 5 is Smithsonian Learning Lab. So Smithsonian Lab is empower student teach material and tools to help interpersonal system. Interpersonal learning, create new ideas, find resource, access educational content, content collections, and build meaningful educational network. So kini is kaana po ni siya sa mga student or pwede man po natin ni sa mga teachers, pero the most student should ang magamit ani. Kaya na ito ang creating new ideas, mga personalized learning, mga access educational content collections or meaningful educational network. So next is number 6 is OER common. So meaning sa OER is open educational resource, is a public digital library to open educational content that allowed explorations, creations, and collaborations with educator worldwide to improve curriculum. So kini ang open educational resource is need natin ni siya og mga collaborations if gusto jud ka og mga kanang kuan kay naka-focus jud so diri ka sa your phone sa OER Commons, Then next is Discovery Education. So Discovery Educations provide tone of standard aligned resource tools and enhance student thinking skills and opportunities for collaborations, learning and experiences to help teachers grow their professional practice. So kini pong Discovery Educational is as siya kanang tone or standard aligned resource para teachers pud ni siya para mo grow pud ilahang kuan para pud siya lain knowledge pud, di ba? Everyday man kay na as a future educator everyday man jud nga natay ma-learn even nga magkuan ta as sa mga students na pud tay ma-learn sila ha. Then kita pud as a teacher napoy ma-learn sa tuwang mga bata. So kining TED Ed kay in an educational initiative from TED to help teachers, educators, and students to access creating videos lessons. So kini pod ay kung importante po ni sa picture educator kay pag pohon mag-demo ta or magkuanta final demo dahil lang ta kay mangita tag mga dali ani po ni siya ma-access dito ta mga kuan create video lessons dayon mga lesson plan nato nabita dayon kini number 9 kay EdShelf. This is a social critical discover engage of website, mobile apps, desktop program, and electronic produced by teaching and learning. So kini pod is kanang kanang as a future educator pod gamit pod kanina ni siya especially kanang sa mga lesson plan nato mga demo especially sa demo jud nato din reporting sumon. Dayan ang Simbolo Ido is a visual resource management tools to help educators and students organize and share the best of the web. This is a merely less of education, a good educational site of the wide teaching. Teachers need to a lot of creative and resourcefulness in looking for website that will suit their needs. So kini pod is kanang if hindi na pa murag kanang bitang napay something kulang sa imong mga lesson or video diri ka makakita ni Symbalus ed nanay diri tanan imong mga ay kulang ni design sa man ni